Linus Tech Tips coverage of CES 2014 is brought to you by ncix.com, your source for great technology, selection, and service, along with Corsair Memory and Western Digital.
Hey guys, we're here at Synology checking out DSM 5. Now I love Synology NAS drives. We've used them a few times in the office, and they're showing off quite a few cool things with their new software. First off is Quick Connect. So the idea behind this is if you're not a super complicated end user and you just kind of want to plug it in and let it run, Quick Connect will let you do a simple install and then you're good to go. You don't have to mess with your router, you don't need to remember IPs, you don't need to do all that kind of stuff that you used to have to do in these situations, and it's automatically set up throughout the app. So say you want to access your data on the phone, it's good to go right away. The next one is Cloud Station, and essentially it enables you to have as complicated as a cloud setup as you want. So let's start with a complicated one and then get a little bit more simple. So first off, you've got a few disk stations on the east coast of Canada and a few disk stations on the west coast of Canada. And you need them to interface with each other all the time, so you have backups remotely on each end. You can have that set up so it's all synchronized and automatically going all the time, and it's very easy to set up, as well as more simple situations. Say you take a picture on your phone and you want it synced with all of your friends and your mom and your dad or whatever. You can take that picture, and as long as you have the application, you can sync it out to everyone easily and seamlessly. Next up, there's social network backup. So you can back up Facebook, Google+, everything. I think that was already in the app. But now they have YouTube, which is specifically cool for us because it could automatically back up YouTube videos that you upload. Other than that, they've also generally just refined the interface. There's much more logical grouping of different ideas and applications now. And for instance, backups, instead of being different backup things being kind of all over the app, all of the backups are in one simple, easy to find area. At this same booth, there's IOSafe running DSM 5 as well. And if you guys haven't seen it, you should go back and watch, but we've made a video for IOSafe in the past, and to be completely honest, when Linus tasked me with planning out this video, I didn't believe it was going to work. I hooked up my brother's fire department and all that kind of stuff, but I expected the thing to fail, and it won gloriously. It wasn't even really a close contest. It easily beat what was going on. And in the background here on the video, they have a much more intensive test than we even ran running on this guy right here, which is the 1513 Plus. It's a little bit more hefty of a price, but it's expandable and there's way more drives, and it's just a higher end system. So if you're someone who's in, say, small business, or you're running your own business, say photography, videography, whatever the heck you're doing, if you need tons of storage and you need it to be safe, this is probably something you should look into, as it is fire and waterproof. Thank you for watching our content on Synology and IOSafe. If you want to see all the rest of our CES 2014 content, be sure to subscribe to Linus Tech Tips. And as always, thank you to our sponsors, Corsair, WD, and mostly NCIX.